Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. I'm adding another song to my Christmas playlist, and you can also find this in the Cozy Christmas Songbook. This is It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas. We're in the key of C. Strumming pattern for all the chords that we're holding for 2 beats. We're just going to do 2 downstrokes. 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we hold out a chord for 4 beats, we can play island strum on that chord. So the first line of the song, here's an example. We've got C, F to C. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's beginning to look a lot like down, down, up, down, up. Okay? If you don't have island strum yet, that's okay. You can play a simple downstroke per chord. This is a play along video, so I'm not teaching the whole song, we're just playing along together. Your starting pitch is an E, the note E, not the chord, the note E. You can find that by playing your open E string, but we're going to be an octave below that. E's over here, and we gotta be here. It's beginning. Okay, there's our starting pitch. Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that'll talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Ben. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that'll make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. All right, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. By the way, if you are digging my music stand, check it out. It is Craft Geek. You can get 15% off with my code, and it is an amazing gift for yourself for the holidays or for a musician friend that you love in your life. All right, I'll see you soon. Once again, my name is Kathryn. All right, happy holidays. Ukulele wine time.